Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the different steps that you need to take to ensure that you can find the right product to put on your dropshipping account. Now, the first thing that you need to understand, and anyone that is getting into this industry needs to do, is research. The determining factor of success is based upon the principle of how well you do your research. And in this video, I'm going to show you the different steps that you need to take to ensure that you can find the right product for your customers. Now, the thing over here which a lot of individuals make a mistake with is the fact that they focus on one particular product and on one particular location where they're selling that particular product, and that is where all the dropshippers go wrong. You got to make sure and understand that you are actually giving a chance for the global market to come onto your dropshipping landing page and get items from you. So you got to make sure that you understand your customer base, that you understand your customers of what they need and what they want and what you provide them and how you provide it to them. And once you understand these elements, you're able to create something that is truly unique and something that truly stands out. And that is where you can actually gain a lot of ground and become the number one seller on Shopify. So I'm going to show you now exactly what you need to do. There is an element of research that is available, and how you do that research, it's quite simple. Shopify has made it very easy for individuals to understand what products they want to put on their landing pages and in their shops to ensure they can grab the attention of their customers. And once you head over to the best dropshipping products on the blogs on Shopify, you'll be able to see all the different products in particular niches. For example, if you're looking at apparel and footwear, you'll see the 18 different elements that are available over here to ensure that these are products that are selling, and these are products that people are searching, and these are products that people are buying. And obviously, once you select some of these products, you can source them and then add them to your dropshipping landing page. If you look at a different niche such as beauty and personal care, you'll be able to see the personal interest over a period of time in particular countries such as the US. And if you want to change the country and see the interest, you can see that as well. You can also check the time between which people are searching for particular products and the categories, and you can compare different elements together. Guys, something that you have to keep in mind, and something that is essential for success, is understanding how the industry is working and what time and period you're going through. And then once you understand all these dynamics together, you'll be able to create a strategy that is not only going to be scalable but profitable at the same time, and you'll be able to select different products in different niches. Now, the thing which I highly recommend individuals, if they're particularly looking at a location, you need to understand what you're providing to and when you're providing it to them. For example, if you are focusing on the US market, you want to select items right now that are US related. It's winter down there, it's getting really cold, so you want to put products that meet those requirements. But if you're selling products in Australia at this moment in time, it is summers down there, so you won't be selling socks and jackets and hoodies and things like that, but you'll be selling beachwear, shorts and flip-flop, because that is what they'll be looking for. So you got to understand the dynamics of the niche, you got to understand the dynamics of the location, and you got to understand the dynamics of the products. And once you understand these elements and combine them together, you'll be able to create a strategy for your dropshipping which is going to be effective. If you scroll down over here and selecting different elements in the kitchen and dining, you'll be able to see what people are buying and what is trending right now and what is being promoted and what is being seen on social media. And combining all that information together, Shopify gives you a complete breakdown of the different items that are available, from water filters, stainless steel tumblers, reusable water bottles, and even shaker bottles for protein shakes. And combining these together, you'll be able to select a particular item and put it on your dropshipping. So let's head over and find out different products from where we can source them. And the best place to source particular product is gonna be AliExpress. And the reason for that is because you'll be able to increase your profit margin, meaning you will buy the product, you will get the product, you will source the product at a very low cost, and then you will check the product how much it is being sold in the local market for. And based on that principle, you'll be able to increase your profit margin. For example, these amazing yoga socks are things that are being sold instantly and are trending right now. And obviously, we can clearly see how much they're being sold. If you look at this particular product over here, this has been sold 3,345 times. And obviously, with free shipping for $3.36 and a review of 4.9, you can obviously give these as a gift or make it a novelty for individuals to buy from your drop shipping, and you can increase the price to $10.99, $9.99, $19.99, and obviously getting it at $3.36, you can clearly see the profit margin in this particular product. If you look at the other products in the list as well, 1,107, 982, 161, 994, this is a product that definitely gets sold, and this is a product that people are interested in, and this is a product that should definitely be on your drop shipping account on Shopify. The next product that I'm going to show you is the Hydrating Eye Gel. Now the thing over here, and this is a tip I'm going to give you guys, is make sure that you select different products in different niches to ensure that there's always something for someone to buy that lands on your page. Because once you have one particular product, you will isolate yourself and you will create a very small niche to target. But if you have a variety of products that are available on your dropshipping account, you can ensure that multiple people that comes to your dropshipping will be able to buy those particular products. And looking at the Hydrating Eye Gel, this is an amazing product. If you look at the product, this has been sold 7,150 times at $3.56, and with a review rate of 4.7, you can easily sell this and retail this as $9.99 and make a massive profit in the profit margin. And the reason why I've added this onto our list is because the Hydrating Eye Gel is a need as well as a want for a lot of individuals, either be male or female. So it is not gender related. It is related to a requirement that individuals tend to have. And again, this is an amazing product for individuals to buy. And obviously getting this product and putting on your Shopify account, you'll be able to increase the traffic that would come onto your Shopify account. The third product, which I personally feel is very interesting, is the portable blenders. Now, this is an essential need for individuals, especially people who are working out or want to have a healthy lifestyle. And the reason why I've included this in today's list is because as Christmas is around the corner, this is definitely a product that people would want to give their loved ones. And if you look at the amount has been sold, is absolutely brilliant. It is being sold for $23 to $21, and 10,608 have been sold. And obviously you can retail this at $49.99 and make an amazing profit of $20 off the bat. And imagine selling 20 or 30 or 40,000 of these, you'll be increasing your profit margins to a maximum. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the level of interest people tend to have with this particular product. And the thing that really makes it stand out is if you head over to social media, check the TikTok, Facebook, or Twitter, you'll be able to see the amount of interest and videos that are available of this particular product. And based on that research, this is a recommendation from Shopify as well, that this is a product that is being sold, is being wanted, is being seen, is being promoted, and is being bought by individuals. The next product that we can add, this is a garden fence for $5.35. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the information from the description, customer review, specification of this particular product. And all you need to do is take this product and add it onto your Shopify account, and you'll be able to get all this information and obviously make your landing page one of the uniquest in the industry. And obviously the rarability of these products and the combination that you would provide on your dropshipping is going to be one of a kind, and that, my friend, is what is going to give you a competitive advantage. So in order to do all of this, there is an amazing chance for you to get a Shopify account free for 90 days. If you click in the description below in the link, you'll find the ability to sign up to Shopify. So go ahead and do that right now and get Shopify for 90 days, because Shopify is the place where you can discover millions of entrepreneurs that are doing what you want to do. And obviously with the support, assistance, and guidance of Shopify, you can obviously be the person who changes their dreams into reality and gets the financial freedom that you've always wanted and work for yourself instead of getting caught in the 9-to-5 rat race. And this is that platform that gives individuals a chance to connect and be able to develop different elements. From everything that you need to succeed is available with Shopify, where it empowers entrepreneurs anywhere and everywhere in the world. And right now, in this moment in time, there's millions of merchants worldwide that are using Shopify, with 175 countries that support Shopify, with 5 million jobs and $444 billion of global activity that's that's available. So you can just imagine the amount of marketplace Shopify tends to have, and you can take a piece of the cake as well. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. Just go to the description, click on the link, and get Shopify for 90 days. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to support you, to assist you, to guide you in any manner possible. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, and on your Instagram to ensure that more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to start dropshipping by using Shopify. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.